So here's just a quick video update that I wanted to take a picture of the Italian zucchini plants and see how they're doing here. So as you can see, this zucchini, and as a reference point, here's my hand, right? So you can see how big that's getting, how long that's getting. There's one there, and then there's one right here, and I don't know if there's any other one. There's other little ones that are trying to grow here, but that's not too bad. Yeah, there's one right there that's kind of small, but yeah, these get big, and they can get really big, and then you cut them and cook them like you would zucchini. But this plant was given to me by my uncle with seeds, and you can see that we planted it, and once the heat got below the hundreds and 90s here, the plant's starting to take off a little bit more, and we got it all trellised up, and sprayed it too, because the little white flies, black flies, start to get underneath those leaves. They start to suck it dry and eat it. So so far so good. We've kept it alive to get zucchini, so hopefully we can get some more seeds and keep planting them each year. They kind of a fun plant, a big plant. You can see how it's trellising up and over. We also planted some new little winter melons here. They're kind of small Chinese Korean melons. We're going to see how those grow. Hopefully those will do well here towards the end of the season. We'll give it a shot anyways. Just to give you an update on those plants. Also, just in the same area here, I finally got a chance. You can see that we've cut down a lot of the canes for the blackberries. Are kind of overgrowing, and I really needed to get back there and trim that and organize that. So you can see where we've really cut that back, and we'll now need just to trellis that up a little bit better, because they're starting to get really tall. So we need some trellising. But yeah, here we are, in our fall garden, and that's just a quick little update. Thanks.